Hey everybody, welcome to the Holiday Bomb Cyclone 2022. I thought what a good opportunity to see if the Volvo wagon can handle a cold start like this. We have, oh, can we see that? It's so hard to see. It's -9 and the wind chills right now are at 35 below. I am kind of protected here a little bit from the winds. Once we get out just a couple steps though, it is just brutal. All right, here we go. This is the normally northernly flowing Fox River, a good spot to see bald eagles in the winter go fishing. Today, not so much, just ice. The wagon has been frozen out here for a couple of days now. Snowplow has already came through. Thank you, Butch, for plowing out the driveway and doing around my car. Alright, I don't know if it'll pick up on the microphone very well. It started alright. It is making a little bit of a squealing noise. I'll try to get it in for you. Alright, as always, the Volvo 240 will more than likely get you to where you're going. I'm going to clean off some of the snow and then maybe make a trip to the store. Okay.